Why does my yard stay wet days after it rains? Hey, I'm Bob Carr with TLC Incorporated. I hear this all the time. Bob, why does my yard stay wet days after it rains? Well, that's a big question we hear from homeowners in Annapolis, Crofton, Bowie, and Odenton is, why does my yard stay wet days after it rains? Well, most of the time, it's not the rain. It's how water is moving or not moving across your property. Here in central Maryland, we have heavy clay soil. Clay doesn't absorb water quickly. When grading is off, downspouts dump water too close to the home, or soil becomes compacted. Water just sits. Standing water doesn't stay a lawn problem. It moves towards your foundation, your basement, and or your crawl space. That's why drainage problems almost always start outside, but turn into expensive repairs inside.